What's up guys, so in this box is a PS3 that I paid $6 for. Well, yes, but also no. It was $6, but the shipping added it up to $21, so either way, let's crack this thing open. Boom. Wow, this console's heavy. There it is. I don't know how that happened, but it's like kinda all bumpy over there. We have our PS3. Okay, so I'm gonna take the HDMI cable that I have plugged into the Mac Mini over here. Gonna plug it into this PS3. I'm also gonna take this power cable here, plug the end in there. There are just no signs of life at all. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and call it. It just doesn't work. But even if it doesn't, it's still a good addition to my collection, because now I have a PS2 and now a PS3. I wonder though, is there a hard drive? Oh, there is! Okay, that screw doesn't want to turn. Okay guys, I'm really curious. I want to know if there's a game inside this PS3, if I can even get it out. I'm gonna place the PS3 back here. There's no power coming in to this console at all. It's plugged in. The switch is on the on position. Absolutely nothing. I guess the power supply is actually just dead. Unless that off. There's a screw missing. That's always a great sign. Okay. What if it's another case of what happened in 2023? The other PlayStation had a broken power button. What if that's just the case for this one too? Hey guys, editing me here. So, I said the entire console didn't have any power, and yet I'm still trying to do stuff inside the thing for it to power on. It doesn't make any sense. I don't know. Just watch. Wow, that's a long screw. Oh my goodness. I did not realize that. Okay. Now to repeat that 3 more times. Ah, there we go. That is definitely the inside of a PlayStation 3. Absolutely nothing. Alright, well, it was worth a try. Oh, this disk drive is very loose. I don't know if you guys knew this, but the top of the PlayStation 3 is actually translucent plastic. You can still see through it. I'm not seeing anything remotely wrong. Everything looks connected and everything. I don't know what's wrong with it. The power supply, I guess, is just bad. Like, really bad. I do wonder if there's a game in here. Whoa. Whoa, check out that circuit board. You can't even see it. There is no manual eject thing at all. There. Perfect. Okay, now to screw it back together, we put the top casing on. Boom. Then we put the screw in. We have successfully put back together this PlayStation 3. Now it is pretty much dead as a doorknob, so it's not gonna ever turn on. Maybe until I get a new power supply for it, but even if I do get a new power supply for it, who's gonna tell when it'll fail? So I'm not really sure what to do with it. I'll probably mostly have it as like a display piece, because I don't know, I like collecting stuff. This is my current console collection now. If you have enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.